In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with the Google Translate, copying and pasting documents. So here is how it works. This is the Google Translate. This is how it works. Let's type how to make money pasting. So you can translate English to French. This is in French. So these are the websites that will allow you to translate. So like we have said, translate. This is Upwork.Com. Come down here to client info and click on payment verified, so that you can only see people that have verified their payment, so that when you do the projects you can automatically be paid. English to German translator needed. This one was posted 4 hours ago. This one posted 10 minutes ago. 1 page English to Arabic translation. So these people want you to translate a document for $5. What you can do is just they will send you a document, and yet on that document you can just select the text, open here. They will pay you $5. So what you want to do is, like, you can say, oh, I will translate you a document within maybe 5 minutes. And what if they send you that document, you can just open that document and copy that document. Like for example, this is the document. You can just copy the text and come to Google Translate and paste the text and translate it to German, and you can just come here and click German, and this is the German translation, and then you can copy it and then send it to them. So the second website you can make money translating is Fiverr. So I have searched for translate. So this, I will translate your text from English to German. You will be paid $105 if someone buys this key. I will translate your text from German to English, $105 again. So what you gonna do on Fiverr, so I will leave it a link in the description below that will allow you to sign up for Fiverr, so that you can start selling on Fiverr. You will be creating your gigs here. So these are some of the easiest way you can actually make money online. So I will be putting more videos on how to make money online the easy ways without even stressing yourself. Click this video, watch some of these videos that also help you out make money online.